If you've ever found yourself scrambling for a free socket amidst a sea of devices, you're not alone. Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of additional socket installations to power up your space efficiently. First things first, understanding the basics of socket installation is crucial. This isn't just about adding a socket to your wall. It is about extending power cables from existing circuits with an eye on your building structure. Here's what you need to focus on. Building layout. Plan carefully to avoid structural disruptions. Existing wiring. Assess the current setup to ensure it can handle extra load. Now let's talk about different floor types and how they impact installations. There's suspended timber joists or wooden floors, so it's easier to get access as carpets and floorboards can be lifted for cable extending. Solid concrete or laminate floors. These are trickier and might require routing cables through rooms above. And when it comes to walls, solid walls, we use high-powered chasing machines with high-powered dust extraction. Dryline walls, often easier, and minor cuts may be needed to get through the plasterboard to get the cables. Lath and plaster walls. These are riskier due to potential disintegration of the lath and plaster, so needs careful handling. Looking at real-world applications, we see unique challenges. Historic homes. Non-invasive methods preserve architectural integrity. Modern offices. Strategic socket placement keeps spaces clutter-free. Remember, safety is paramount. Respecting safe zones minimises risks and ensures a secure setup. Verify insurance. Make sure they have liability coverage to protect you. Overloading circuits. Know your circuit's capacity. Use protective conduit. Enclose cables to protect them. When in doubt, get a certified electrician on board, like ourselves, Bright Spark Electrical Services. We're registered with the NIC EIC. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel, and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.